Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I didn't really mean to make a part 4, but if you haven't watched the other ones, you'll be totally confused. But if you've already removed all the white background and everything from this, and you want to do, I didn't remove the skull yet, but if you wanted to have some separation between the two buildings, you can't really do it the way I did it in part 3, but you can. If we go to Object, Shaping, and Boundary, put a boundary around there, and there's our boundary. I'm going to move it. I've got my yellow box. Tell you what, I can move this out of the way for a second. Move this down. So if I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to make 2 copies of this, or a copy of this. We're going to do it both ways. If we do it the way I did in the first one, and I go here and I trim it, and then I remove this boundary, there's no separation between the car and the capital. Doesn't look too bad, but if you would do this, and we're just going to save the car over here, if you take this shape and go to Effects and Contour to the outside with rounded corners, I don't know how much. This way you could kind of designate your separation. You know, that's a little bit of separation that might be the best. And then go up to Object, Break Contour Apart, try to grab the outside one and trim this. And then move that. And then move your car back into the picture and look at the separation. That might be the way to do it. Anyway, I hope that truly helped him, and thank you for watching.